Hello guys, what's up again? Uh, we're back with our tone test. This time we'll be doing a comparison between the Boss DS1 and then the Harley Benton um, American True Sound. It's like Joyo American Sound, something like that. It's their Fender pedal, like an amp simulation distortion pedal, but with like a Fender amp vibe. But anyway, I'm doing a comparison about the tone. It's because they're both orange. That's all. Right. Clean sound. And then I'll be fiddling with this distortion. And put a bit of volume perhaps. Now the gain level or the disc level is almost at the top. It's like 9 o'clock, so it's only like 1/4 left for the full distortion. I think it's not the best guitar for this test, but anyway, this is what I got at the moment, so let's make use of it. Now I put the distortion all the way up. In the tone, let's put it 12 o'clock. There. Maybe it's good to do this as drop D. So the disc is all the way up, the tone is in the middle, level is almost half as well, so the level can be turned up. And I think it depends on what amp you're using. So I'm using the Siva Boogie, it's a very clean amp. Perhaps if I'm using like the Joyo Atomic, which is like a Vox AC copy, because that's the one I'm planning now to buy, so it might change a bit with the tone. For comparison's sake, you've heard it. This is the distortion all the way up. If we put the tone higher, it's too bright now, too trebly. I hope you're happy with that one. I don't want to dial any more tone. I'm just looking for a heavy sound for this one, and I'm quite happy with that one now. Let's try swapping the pedal with the Harley Benton American True Sound, and let's see how it goes. So we've swapped it. We've got the Harley Benton now. put the EQ first on turbo clock, so flat. That made a big difference now with the sound. Right. So the voice is also straight, turbo clock. Drive is just turbo clock. So the distortion earlier is like 3 o'clock. It's like almost 3/4. It's loud now. Alright. Full blast. I think you can do more with this pedal because of the EQ. This is flat EQ, then the drive is all the way up, voice is middle. And I keep putting the level down. The level now is like number 3, so it's 9 o'clock position. Wow. What if I put the voice? Walk on the other end. So the voice and the drive are all the way up. Both are all the way up. Wow, this one's got more clarity to lead tone. I love it. Right, we'll do swap again. Yeah, just to compare again if it can beat that tone. That was lovely. Now, it's also it's okay, but I think the Harley Benton got more than the distortion, the Boss Distortion. So yeah, I think lovely, but So well, right. Right guys, so I'm so confused because I love the classic sound of the distortion, Boss Distortion pedal. It brings back memories during the 90s. But as a mature self, my mature self is gearing towards the Harley Benton for the tone. There's fullness, there's versatility, and in terms of heavy sound, it's there as well. So it's all in one. But the distortion pedal, Boss DS1, is classic. It reminds me of a classic tone. So I'm torn between the two. Perhaps I'll leave the Boss DS1 on this pedal board, and then I'll treat the Harley Benton separately. So the Boss Blues Driver, the BD1 or BD2, I forgot, is an amazing pedal as well, lovely tone, but it needs to be put somewhere as well. So yeah, for this pedal board that I'll be using for my band Subtle Culprits, I think the DS1 will do the job. And then when I expand my pedal, they can all go in, just like one of my friends saying about my Google Tone pedal board. Everything was there in that pedal board. I'm trying to do a minimal setup. So I'm trying to do a minimal setup for this one, and this seems to work. Reverb pedal, and obviously if I buy an amp with a reverb, that will be removed as well. Then I got two delays, one which is proper delay, and then the other one is reverse delay, and just the Boss DS1 and a wah pedal, and then that's it probably. So I can't get a much heavier sound on this one, just classic sound. But I'm quite happy with this tone comparison. I hope you're as well happy to know whether the Boss DS1 can be compared to the Harley Benton American True Sound, where they're both color orange. So that's it. The conclusion, they're both orange. See you again next time, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and support my channel. And God bless. Bye.